welcome back to my channel Aastha's Aura. So in today's video, we'll be seeing what all exams that you need to give in your first year of BTS, and we'll be also covering how many exams you need to give, what are the marks associated to it, and everything in a short time. So let's start with the video. First of all, let's keep this in mind that this is not a regular second PU or school card type exams. इसमें you won't be getting notes, direct notes from your teachers. There won't be any particular questions given that you have to study this, ये आ जाएगा हो जाएगा, नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. थोड़ा आपको टेंशन हो सकता है कि क्या करे, क्या पढ़े, क्या आ सकता है, because I'll be explaining the pattern now. But don't lose hope. Everything is good. You can do it. So, okay. अभी तक तो मैंने आपके सर में बिठा दिया रहेगा बोल कर हर वीडियो में that we have 4 subjects in our dental degree. So those 4 subjects are DADH, Anatomy, Physiology and Biochemistry. Firstly, we'll know that the whole marks for all these subjects are 100, in which 70 goes for theory, 30 is for practicals. Now let's talk about DADH and Anatomy. As इसमें the whole paper you will be writing for 70 marks. Full theory paper is for 70 marks. पर Physiology और Biochemistry में the case is different. Here the Physiology paper will be for 35 marks theory and the Biochemistry will also be the same for 35 marks theory. जो दोनों मिल के 35 + 35 70 marks हो जाएगा. आपको ये समझना है कि both Physiology and Biochemistry are different subjects, but you'll be writing together for 70 marks. That's the only difference. Other than that, जो 30 marks practical का मैंने बोला था, उसमें in DADH you'll be carving, viva भी होगा, and histology slides you have to identify. So in DADH there will be 30 marks के लिए 3 different sections. एक slide identification and viva and lastly the carving. Yes, वो वाइवा का डर जो रहता है ना सब में रहता है और वो हमें स्कूल से नहीं छोड़ता है. ओरल एग्ज़ाम था, बड़ा हो के अब वाइवा बन गया है जो नहीं छोड़ता है हमारा पीछा. Let's talk about anatomy. Anatomy, as I told, 70 marks full theory paper. उसमें 30 marks का जो practical है that will be for bone identification, osteology of bone, viva again. उसमें भी bone viva and वैसे ही रहेगा, you will be introduced to all this, but उसमें bones and slides, histology slides. Yes, anatomy में also you'll be having histology slides. Let's talk about the question paper pattern. Talking about the DADH and anatomy subjects, there will be 3 mains: long essay, short essay and very short answers. Long essay, there will be 2 questions for 10 marks. In short essay, you will be having 8 questions for 5 marks. And very short answers में 5 questions for 2 marks. The duration for all this is only 3 hours, so you have to be very careful in managing time. That has always killed me, so be careful, guys. In biochemistry and physiology, the pattern is little different because we'll be writing it for 35 marks, remember? So first one, as always, will be the long essay, short essay and very short answers. In these 2 subjects, you'll be having only 1 long essay for 10 marks and 3 short essays for 5 marks and again 5 very short answers for 2 marks. Are you ready for a plot twist? Let me tell you. हमारे 2 जो ये प्यारे बायोकेमिस्ट्री एंड फिजियोलॉजी के सब्जेक्ट्स है, you will have to be managing to write these damn long papers in just 3 hours. 1.5 hours for biochemistry and 1.5 hours for physiology. All the best. When it comes to biochemistry practical exam, you will be having viva, theory and practical viva दोनों होंगे, and in practical there will be certain quantitative and qualitative tests that you will have to perform of protein, carbohydrate, urine, ऐसा सब होगा. Same goes to physiology, as you will also be having theory and practical vivas, including the experiments that you have to perform like RBC count, WBC counts, what now? हीमोग्लोबिन एक्सपेरिमेंट, बीपी वगैरह वगैरह सब हो. How many exams per year? Is that your question? Then the answer is 3 internal assessments per year plus 1 final exam. Other than this, अगर आपके थर्ड इंटरनल असेसमेंट और फाइनल एग्जाम के बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप होगा, then if your institute is as such of mine, then they'll give you so many preparatory tests to make you better. In final exams, there'll be 2 examiners. One will be external, who will come from other institute, and the second one is our own internal examiners, who will be our teachers. How to prepare to all these exams? इसका आंसर मैं भी ढूंढ रही हूँ, 1 साल से ढूंढ रही हूँ, पर I would just say from my part to see the previous year question papers, and पढ़ाते समय lecturers will also tell you this topic has been repeated or not, so you can manage. With this, I would like to end my video here. If you are new, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Until then, bye.